Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 6:13 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, December 5th, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. Here to talk about Quant Network, QNT. Subscribe, hit the bell, share the video, thumbs up. Let's move forward. Quant US dollar is still under pressure. Make no mistake about it. We broke this area of support around 178 again. And here we are. We're kind of stuck between 178. I just drew this turquoise line before the video. We kind of talked about it, but never really memorialized it. But here it is. It is an area of support also underneath. It's probably closer to 143. And that's kind of where we're at right now. We're not there now, but we're at 170 and change. I think there's another minor local one right around here at around 166, 165 coming from back here as well. So we could catch that as the bounce, or it could be all the way down here, or it could be none of the above and we just move forward. But let's take a look at what's going on in the meantime over to Quant Bitcoin. By the way, resistance right now 178. Could come back pretty quickly tonight. But Quant Bitcoin also, look at this. We're still over this line of support, which is around 309. We are currently at 343. So we have a 10% downward possibility here. So 10% down on this brings this down another 17 bucks. So 117 minus 17 is like 150, 154 or so. So that would put us a little bit like where we thought, maybe right around here in this range. So we'll see if that happens. Not to say that it will, but just something to look out for. However, if we get over that 358, I could say that we've got some momentum on the way up. In the meantime, Bitcoin US dollar. Let me explain this pattern here that I just pulled out right before the video. It is in turquoise. It is a downward descending broadening wedge. These things are bullish. However, nothing goes up in a straight line. So if you're looking at your phone every single day thinking that this thing's supposed to go up, standing by an open window 30 stories up, well, don't do that. Number one, we're 49,500 right now. That's not bad. However, this downward broadening wedge means if we break this resistance area here, that usually means in pattern talk that we get back up to 68,500, which is where the pattern first started. So we've had multiple touch points on this support line. We've had multiple touch points on this resistance line. Call me crazy. Half the people on YouTube already threw in the towel. I'm not throwing in the towel here. I think this thing's got still a lot of bullishness here. I think that what might happen is, yeah, we might go down. We might go down. We might go down to 41. Yeah, we knew that already. So if it hits 41, at least get it in your mind that it might go down to 41. Now, if it went down right now to the current resistance support area, this would be at 43,731. So I'm not worried about this at all. I actually think this is positive for Bitcoin. It just means we have to ride out the turbulence, and that's all we're doing right now. Look, Asia's about to crack their doors open in their businesses in the next couple of hours. We're already starting to creep up. I think we kind of oversold on Bitcoin. Not to say that we can't come back down here, but I have a big feeling that we might wind up trekking up over the next week or two. Getting back over this resistance line would be key. That resistance area is 56,300. We get over that, and then I think our problems are over, and we start getting back to 68K, and then from there, who knows. But right now, that's kind of how I'm looking at it. Bitcoin dominance, also, 4118. We're still on the downtrend. I drew this turquoise line as resistance from the last video, and I think this is certainly going to stay under. I think overall, cryptos in general are getting battered. There's no question. But I still think it's a healthy correction. And this is kind of telling me that as well. Bitcoin's at 49,400. Quant's getting killed right now. There's no question about it, but it's not completely killed. We've been here before. Let me rewind the tape. August. How many months has that been? 3-4 months? Again, nothing goes up in a straight line. You need a healthy pullback before you take that next leg forward. I'm still very bullish on Quant long term. And I think, a great entry point here, if you can get it, would be right here, 161, and another one. Man, I don't think you'll get it down that far, but 150 would be another point to add to your bag. Dollar cost average, folks.